sent me immediately the message. I said immediately yes to. I like that because when you guys from outside and we hear, I normally know that people might be listening outside, but to log on to listen to Cool FM mostly it's like, for me it's really nice. It's a special moment for me also. So you reach the first time is Lisa that came first.
Yes.
So Lisa, how was the first reaction when you come to Aruba the first time? How did you like manage to listen to Cool FM?
We listened also in the radio, and then it was the best.
Your reaction of the music was good?
Yes, it was good. It was really Latin music and party. And
you love it, right?
Yeah, good vibes.
Nice. And you keep on listening. When the second time you came, you didn't came yet, still with Julian, right?
Right.
The second time you came again by yourself.
Yeah.
So then also on the Cool FM.
Cool FM.
So while you're in Germany, also you link up to Cool FM to keep listening?
Yes.
Yeah?
The internet, via live stream.
Nice. So you know everything about Cool FM now?
Yes.
Nice. How do you feel that you're here right now?
It's really good. It's I can't reach it really. Yeah.
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 And it was for you. Like, did you ever think like you're gonna be coming this vacation to visit the station?
No. Sometimes I made a joke and said to him, "Yeah, right, DJ101," and then, but I never thought about it.
But if you had my Instagram, you have my Instagram. Why didn't they just, hey, we want to visit you?
Because I'm not that person.
No?
No.
You're shy?
Yeah.
Okay, I can stand that. So the person next to you is Julian, the one that did write us. So Julian, your first reaction when you write it, you get the message that's yes, we have the space open for you guys. What was the reaction though?
Yeah, of course, that was great news, but I had to keep it secret.
It was difficult,
That
right?
was the most difficult. Yeah, Lisa is really curious. And I'm really happy to have managed to surprise her.
Wow. And right now still, I don't know if she feels like, hey, I'm really here. You are with us on the air, people watching you and listen to you right now.
Yes.
And it's nice that you came to your vacation and on a beautiful day. It's your birthday.
Yes, it's my birthday.
It's your birthday, huh? Hey, no, so we're darling live. We're gonna do it Arubian style, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hip. Hoorah! Nice. Lisa, everything, when people want something, you can reach to it. Just focus. It's like working on goals. You want to reach wherever you want to reach, you can do that. I'm telling you guys, I love this moment. I really love because it's an unforgettable moment to, we're not close to each other like, we're just like, the next house is you guys living there. It's from long way. Oh, how long is from Germany to Aruba?
We flew from Amsterdam and it's 10 hours flight, and then we drove by car 5 hours to his house. Yeah, and he's in the north of Germany and I'm in the south of Germany, so for me it's 8 hours plus. So
whoa.
Yeah, so 8 hours plus 5 hours plus 10 hours, so
you can say a day. Almost a day.
Yeah.
Wow, and you really love Aruba, right?
I love Aruba.
And you're coming to live Aruba.
Yes.
Nice. So, Lisa, I want to thank you. I want to thank Julian. Julian, how you doing in Dutch?
I'm not speaking Dutch.
No, I mean in
German.
Dutch. In German.
Wie geht's is how you're doing.
How you say?
Wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
And you respond good.
Good.
If you're doing good.
Okay. Wie geht's?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. Nice. So, for your second time you're coming here, huh? You're the second time.
True,
You're the
yeah.
fourth time.
Yes.
Your second time, how you feel?
It's great. There are always new things to discover, and at the same time, it's really familiar. That's why I enjoy being here as well.
Till when you guys here?
We are here for 6 more days.
Till Monday.
Till Monday?
Yeah.
Can we have? Let me check if we can have you guys back, because you guys are paramedic.
Yeah.
And you work for military. You got both guys work for military.
Yeah.
I want to have you guys an interview with you guys, what you do and how you do it and how is it over there. Why? Because we have young people here that wants to be part of the military, and it's really nice to get more information that if they want to do something, go what they can expect and how they can, like, you know. So let me do this. Saturday, this Saturday, 4 o'clock, I want you guys an exclusive interview with you guys for the rest of the show, to talk about you guys, the military and people that just locked down right now. They want to be part of the military, because it's nice that the people from Aruba can listen how is it and what they can do, and if they want to do it, what they can expect, you know. And it's really nice also for you guys to give a little bit of the experience, what they can reach out, you know.
That's interesting topic.
We can do that. Yeah.
We'll check our schedule.
Okay, just let me know tomorrow if it's okay, for to be on Saturday right here. And I love that, man. Once again, welcome to your home. This is your home. Cool FM is your home. All right.
Yeah.
And you celebrate your birthday today. We're gonna celebrate all out. Huh? We're gonna celebrate. So you guys, you better come where I'm playing tonight. We're gonna make it big. Sandra is recording. She's smiling also there. Oh, you gotta meet Sandra. You wanna meet Sandra? Let me show Sandra. There's a Sandra. Sandra.
Hi.
All right. Wie geht's? Good. All right. Nice. So, Kiko de party mas great, pero estoy escuchando. Nata di Alemania from Germany, and to Lisa is the 4th time coming, and she loves Aruba. I think Julien also, but we're gonna talk about a little bit more about Julien also Saturday if you have the chance, and it would be nice. And now, from now on, every day, I will send a shout out to you guys in my show every day. So that means starting tomorrow already, I will be sending shout out to you guys, and also Sandra, because otherwise I will be, hey, I came also there, huh? I was also there. So I will be sending shout out to you guys every day. That means when you guys go back, I will be sending shout out for you guys every day. Also you. So I really like it. And once again, I didn't know, like Sunday was crazy because I was playing Sunday. It's like, there's Lisa. And nice. How you feel that? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It felt good.
Yeah? And now how you feel?
Also good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You still don't like realize, huh?
No, I really don't realize.
No?
Yeah.
Tomorrow
But-
morning, she will realize.
Yeah. So once again, thank you, Julien. Thank you for reaching out, because it's nice. I thought she knew. I didn't know that she didn't know, and it's nice because when she reaches, like when you reach the door, what was the feeling?
I can't describe it, but I had tears in my eyes. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Nice. And now you're more happy right now, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what kind of songs you like the most? You like a Spanish song? You like
What's your favorite one? Coming to your mind now?
La Reina El Blanco.
La
Wow.
Reina del Blanco.
Yeah. Woo. And it's nice that you know why I asked, because now every time I send a shout out, I will play that song. Sol Playa Arena is also good. La Reina del Blanco, I know the song, is one of my favorite jams too. And believe me, this is right now a moment that I feel so good, and it's nice to have you guys here. And now I know who I can visit in Germany, you know?
Yeah.
Definitely.
I'm gonna be visiting you guys because it's far, but I like that. I like
It's
that.
worth it.
Yeah, definitely. definitely it's worth it. Huh? I mean, I got new families right in Germany.
Yeah.
So
Will we have a good time?
We are familia. That's good, right? So Aruba with the cherry on top right now. Chicken Swan celebrating her birthday. Lisa, we're gonna close it because next coming up we got Recharge Radio, DJ101, Cool FM, 98.9 Access to Music, and don't forget all about you guys. Important because we love to you guys, and it's nice now. So I have to learn some Dutch in Germany language. We speak Dutch. It's
Deutsch.
like
Yeah.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Deutsch. All right, that's good. So get ready, Cool FM, DJ101, Access to Music, celebrating Lisa's birthday. Woo! Right, Cool FM. Take care. Bye poco poco. Mayang. 98.